Imagine a storm of metal fragments, old satellites and rocket parts circling our planet at speeds up to 17,500 miles per hour. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of our growing space junk crisis, and it's making our orbit dangerously crowded. Space junk, or orbital debris, includes defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, fragments from collisions, and even tiny paint chips. All of these travel at breakneck speeds, turning even the smallest piece into a potential bullet capable of damaging functioning satellites or the International Space Station. The biggest threat? A domino effect called the Kessler syndrome. One collision creates thousands of fragments, increasing the chance of more collisions. This could spiral out of control, making certain orbits unusable and threatening critical services like GPS, weather forecasting, and global communications. Thankfully, scientists and engineers aren't standing still. Space agencies and private companies are developing technologies to capture and remove debris, from nets and harpoons to lasers and satellites designed to deorbit junk safely. But the race is on, and time is running out. Our future in space depends on how we manage this junk today. Every satellite, every mission matters, because space isn't infinite and neither is our patience. Comment your thoughts and subscribe to stay informed on the cosmic challenges shaping our future.